Hi everyone, this is to invite you to March mentorship class program that will start next week on Monday. So if you're interested, you can join. Call me. The number is 0700 344 066. So if you're interested to come and learn about BWA, let me tell you, if there's a strategy that is game changer, is that BWA. If you want to learn BWA, WBB, ABM, BOS mastery, if you want to learn the 13 candlesticks that can make you profitable, let me tell you guys, Forex mentorship program is a game changer. So if you're watching me and you want to join the class, you have up to Friday. Days are running out. Students have already started to register, and then next week we can take it over. I need you to understand that March is the class of grace. What does grace mean? Grace means that it is not by our works that we are here. It's not by my works that I'm here. It's just by grace. So even if you're watching me and you want to do this class and you don't have money, the only thing you can do is to trust God, because the mentorship goes for $400 for 2 weeks if it's physical, 3 weeks if it's online. Then it's 40K if you're in Kenya. So guys, this mentorship, it's a big thing. When it comes to Forex, you need a mentor, you need someone to teach you. And again, guys, I'm very excited because if you join the class, you have joined more Forex community and will get to learn a lot. So feel free to call me, to WhatsApp me, and know that this March of grace, you need to be there. What did we have in January? We had class of all. Class of all was like all means light. And in Feb we had class of power, and now March is class of grace. Now I can't wait to see you guys.